A few small rocks and a ram, and voila, a cool solo display of Dialtone checking in. Already out on their mission, we have Dialtone and Night Force Lieutenant Falcon setting up their mobile comms base of operations right in the field. I really do like the range of display ideas you can recreate using accessories that are themselves detailed and multifunctional. Having this mini computer built into Dialtone's backpack is perfect for just that. I also enjoy recreating teams on patrol, and there's no better team ground unit than one supported by VAMPs when light artillery support is needed in difficult terrains. Even better when you can get one of my favorite Joe characters, Beachhead, into the mix. I'm definitely looking forward to the upcoming Night Force version.